Claire from the Butterfly Preschool, and today I'm going to show you some flower arranging. Lovely thing about flower arranging is going to find the flowers. So if you have a garden, you can go outside with a basket and go and collect some beautiful looking pretty flowers from your garden and some green foliage. It's best to take one of your family members with you to help. So I have a vase and a jug, and I'm going to pour very carefully. There we go. Now we're going to start with our greenage or foliage. So when we're doing flower arranging, it is lovely to have something called symmetry. So symmetry is when you have the same on one side as you have on the other side. So before we put the branch in the water, we want to take away some of the leaves, otherwise they'll go funny in the water. So I think we should take off about 5. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. We're going to put it on the one side. And then we're going to do the same on the other side. Let's take off about 3. 1, 2, and 3. There we go. There we have our symmetry. One on this side is similar to the one on that side. Now let's look at the color flowers that we have. Yeah, we have a lovely peach flower. Put that on the one side. And on the other side, what color is this? Yes, it's yellow. Put the yellow on that side. And this flower? Yes, it's a lovely pink. And lastly, this one looks like it needs to have a little bit of the leaves taken off. It's got quite a few flowers in this bunch. Maybe we should try count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 purple flowers. Put that one at the back. And then lastly, if you pick any roses, you have to watch out for the thorns. The thorns can really prick you, so you have to be very careful and ask for some help. Take off some of the leaves. And there we can put in the middle. Such a beautiful bouquet of flowers that will give everyone a smile. So thank you and see you soon. Bye.